Hi guys, as usually it's me, just a voiceover, and you're watching Review Machines. And today we have for review a really insane thing. We'll find out what we get if we put an engine from a sports bike into a hammer-made kart. Let's go.
You're listening to that.
Guys, as you know, we are quite interested in various unusual vehicles like this one. It's not only unusual, it's really insane. Just imagine, we have a lightest hammer-made kart, and it has an engine from a sports bike Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R with the power about 120 HP. That is why the author of the project calls this thing Ninja Kart, a really proper name for it. You might not know that a regular kart usually has engine about 15 or 20 HP, so 120 HP engine is quite crazy thing for a kart, I should say. The author says that he is often asked a question for what purpose he built this kart, and he usually answers he just wanted to see the result of this crazy idea. The experience is the best teacher, that is said on the spoiler here. Well, I'm straining at the leash to see what this kart can do. Let's find out. What the hell, let someone else do it. Firstly, I wanted to test the thing myself, but to tell the truth, I am not so reckless. There is nothing but the huge engine and the seat. Besides, the ground clearance is just 3 centimeters, so it is felt like you sit right on the asphalt, and the engine is right behind you. I think the ride on this kart might be very impressive, but let a pro rider test the thing. And for now I want to show some details how it is built. First of all, few words about the engine. As I said, here we have an engine from Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. It's 600cc capacity, 4-stroke, 4 cylinders water cooling engine, 118 HP. The kart looks really dope with this engine, doesn't it? It was built from scratch, specially for the project. It's longer and bigger than an usual kart. The length is 230 cm, width 116, weight is 154 kilos. There is a mechanical gearbox with 6 wrenches, disc brakes on the 2 front wheels, and also there is a disc brake on rear axle. The dashboard is from Ninja bike. The steering is as on the regular kart, but we see here an awesome driver seat. It's a full custom leather seat. There are wheels with special soft tires to provide the best traction with the ground, like on drag cars. The huge spoiler also makes the traction better. Well, I think it's high time to see what this kart can do. By the way, this monster kart requires a special track to be tested, so we came to such place, it's karting track. And there are many usual karts here. As you can see, they are quite different from our Ninja kart. As a rule, they have 20 HP engines, and that is enough to provide you a lot of impressions. But our Ninja is definitely stands out from all the others. Let's fill it up and get it started. Exactly as we expected, this kart is a real beast on the track. It takes off like hell, and the acceleration is insane. But the most impressive thing, that unlike a bike, here you sit as near to the ground as possible. That is why you feel the speed in the best way. So that is the point of the project, to provide as much emotions as possible, to feed the adrenaline addiction. But of course you should be quite a skilled driver to down this beast. It's a very dangerous entertainment, I should say. Use your own judgments. Kawasaki Ninja weighs almost 200 kilos, and our kart is only 150 kilos. It's a huge difference for such kind of machines, and as a result we have an insane acceleration and speed. Well, emotions are clear, but let's speak about some coach facts. The maximum speed we reached on this track is 138 km per hour. But we don't have here long straight roads to show the maximum possible speed. The better place for that purpose is an abandoned airdrome. And here are the results. It takes only 2.8 seconds for 0 to 100 km per hour, 7.4 seconds for 150 km per hour, and the maximum speed here is 191 km per hour. But the quality of the ground is rather poor here. Theoretically, this insane kart may accelerate up to 260 km per hour. Let's get back to the track, where we had quite an unpleasant episode. There was something wrong with the fuel pump, and we got the fuel leak through the air filter. You can see it now on your screens. Taking into account the red hot exhaust, it was quite a dangerous moment. Well, it's completely hammer-made vehicle, so everything is possible here. But we fixed the problem on the spot, and we're ready to proceed our race. Besides track races, this car took part in drag and even drift competitions. Moreover, it's a real eye-stopper at numerous car shows. So there is every reason to say that this car is a very successful custom project that provides so much fun for everyone who tries it. Guys, what do you think of the car? Do you like the idea and its embodiment? Please post comments with your opinions. And now let's call it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe the channel if you like this video. Stay with us, it will be many more interesting materials here. Goodbye.